Hey, we're going to get OBS set up on our MacBook today for streaming to YouTube with a custom background and integrated audio. So we're going to go to obsproject.com and download OBS for Mac. We're also going to search for Soundflower and download the link from soundflower.en. We're going to use our built-in webcam to display the video, and we're going to use Soundflower to connect the audio. And after both of those have been installed, we'll go up to the Apple menu under System Preferences and change our sound settings. And we'll change our output from internal speakers to Soundflower 2-channel. So everything that was coming out of our headphone jack or our computer speakers, everything played through Spotify and played through YouTube, and it will send it to this Soundflower device that we just downloaded to our computer. Now, you'll have to remember to change this back to your internal speakers or your interface after you're finished with this, right? So you would go back to the Apple menu, System Preferences, and Sound after you're finished streaming and change your output back to your internal speakers or your interface, and I'll X out. So after installing OBS, it will appear in your applications. We open the program, and we are brought to a blank scene. And the first thing we're going to do is go to our preferences and change our audio and video settings because we want high quality audio and video. So under video, our base resolution we'll set to the highest possible. This is whatever our monitor is displaying in. In my case, I'll pick 1920 by 1080. And our output resolution, we'll also select 1920 by 1080. You may want to stream in 720 for faster speeds, but for this, I'm going to select 1920 by 1080. Under output, we're going to change our video bitrate to 4000. We're going to enable encoder settings and choose very fast. And if we go up to general, we're going to want to make sure that automatically record when streaming is unchecked. We want to be able to do that on our own. Under audio, for our mic auxiliary audio, we are going to choose either our built-in audio, our interface, or USB microphone. We will change our desktop audio to Soundflower 2-channel. This should have appeared since we've installed it as an audio device. And this will tell OBS to look at Soundflower as our input for our audio. Remember, we changed it in our sound system preferences. And now that we've changed our OBS desktop audio to match our computer's output audio, let's load some audio and see if it plays. So I'll click OK, and I'll bring up some sound. Now you notice the sound is playing and showing through OBS, but we don't hear anything. So let's go to our OBS window under Edit, Advanced Audio Properties, and under the Desktop Audio row in the drop-down Audio Monitoring tab, we'll choose Monitor Only, Mute Output, and we should hear our audio come through the speakers. Great, and we'll hit Close. Now, we are going to add sources to our video. So we'll click the plus sign in the Sources tab and add a video capture device. Click OK and select our webcam. And it appears. We can resize the window intuitively. Once this is up, let's add a second source. Let's add a display capture and click OK. This will show whatever is in our monitor window. Since we'd like our webcam to overlay our display, we're going to drag our display capture underneath our video capture. Great, so after we have our microphone connected, our webcam connected, our desktop audio connected, and our display ready to stream, we'll watch the next part and get our stream up online, connecting OBS to YouTube via a stream key. Thank you, I'll see you in a little bit.